Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Planner 5D versus SketchUp and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know which design software is more worth it for you. Planner 5D is an intuitive, user-friendly tool primarily aimed at interior design, home planning, and simple architectural layouts. It features a drag-and-drop interface, a vast library of pre-designed furniture and decor items, and AI-powered tools like Smart Visit and Design Generator that help with layout and style suggestions. Supports 2D and 3D modes, realistic rendering, and augmented reality for visualizing designs in real time. Planner 5D is accessible across the web, iOS, Android, and desktop, making it highly convenient for casual users and beginners. SketchUp is a more comprehensive and versatile 3D modeling software used across various design disciplines, including architecture, engineering, construction, and even game design. It offers robust tools for creating, modifying, and sharing detailed 3D models from scratch, and SketchUp's strength lies in its precision, extensive customization options via extensions from the 3D warehouse, and its ability to generate 2D documentation. While it has steeper learning curve, once mastered, it provides unparalleled flexibility for complex designs and photorealistic rendering. SketchUp offers free web-based versions for basic use and paid Pro Studio versions with advanced features. Planner 5D is ideal for beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners who want to quickly and easily visualize interior designs, floor plans, and basic home layouts without extensive training. It's perfect for those who appreciate a vast library of ready-made items and AI assistance for design inspiration. SketchUp, on the other hand, is better for professional designers, architects, engineers, and serious hobbyists who require powerful and precise 3D modeling capabilities, and it suits users who are willing to invest time in learning a more complex software to create detailed, custom models, generate comprehensive documentation, and integrate with professional workflows. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.